Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Magnifier here, and basically what this is a mobile phone video amplifier. So it basically works as screen magnifier, just the way you can see right here. And for the one that we got here, it is a black color and it's 14-inch. They do have this available in other colors and different sizes as well. So definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. So in the back part here, they provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. But first, I'm actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So the product is all nicely wrapped up right here, but let's take it out first. So first thing you can see inside right here, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right underneath that, we do have the actual product. So this part right here is the front, and right here is the back, or the bottom part. So in the bottom part here, we do have the leg that you can kick up if you guys want to. So that way the product can be elevated when you guys set it up. But when you guys turn it back to the other side right here, this slot right here is for you guys to put your phone. So let's open up. This is what the pot looks like. So right here, you can see they do have like the silicone material. So that way, once you guys put your phone on here, it won't move around. And inside right here, we do have the magnifier. And the way how you guys take it out is by pulling this option right here and then sliding it up. And then once you guys slide it up, this is what the product looks like. So once you guys open the back part here, you guys can definitely put your phone on here. You can see how big my hand's on here. So this is what the product looks like once you guys set it up. You can see it very easy and very simple to actually set up. So obviously this product right here is actually really useful and very convenient for people who have low vision, especially for like elderly people. So I actually play a video onto my phone and then put it on here to show you guys what it actually looks like. So what I'm gonna do is just put it right here. And then once I put it right there, you can definitely see the screen on here. So the angle is kind of off right here and I can't tilt it too much. So I'm actually put this down on the table to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so we got the product all set right here. Let's play the video. Hey, welcome back to the episode of Is Worth It. So today's episode, we got this cool Magnifier right here, and basically what this is a lightweight puffer jacket. And this is from the brand Amazon Essential. The one that we got right here, you can see it is a gray color, but do have this available in other colors as well. Alright, so since we actually use the product on here, it definitely does work. And you guys can see the image quality on here is actually really clear. So when you guys compare the screen size, it's definitely much bigger compared to what you guys see in the back right here. It's literally so small. And then once you guys are done using it, you can definitely put it back away. So just like this. Slide this part back inside. Once you guys slide that back in, you guys want to take this part out. Close that up. And it's all set. So the pod is definitely super compact and portable. So that way you can bring it with you guys anywhere and use it anytime. And if you guys want to use the kickstand option in the back, it's very easy and very simple to use it. You just want to open up this part here and open up this part here. And just put it down on the table. So that way when you guys use the product, it's tilted a little bit more. You can see from the side right here, it's tilted up just a little bit. Alright, so definitely see the product definitely does work when you guys actually use it. And when you guys actually use the product, you can definitely see how clear the magnification is on here. So this way you guys don't have to worry about looking at a small phone anymore. You can definitely look at your phone in the bigger screen once you guys use this product right here. But that is everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you guys have low vision or if you guys don't want to look at a small screen. Instead, you guys want to look at a bigger screen. Then we definitely have to say that this product is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.